So I have yet to see anyone do an install on the 22 Tundra Dongar technology dash cam power adapter. I got a Garmin Mini for Christmas this year, and I didn't want to do the built-in Toyota one. I just figured I wanted, one with a ecosystem I was familiar with. So I got the Dongar, or the Garmin installed where I think I want it, and I believe this pops down, plug in, run the wire somewhere here to plug that in. So we'll see. This is on their website. It's kind of hard to find, in my opinion. I had to Google it, but it looks like there's a special Toyota pin here, which I believe the factory dash cam is plugged into, and it just kind of, snaps right onto there, and then you have a USB, and they give you a USB. So we're gonna try to install this. I will turn the car off before I do anything, but it is freezing cold, so I'm gonna see if I can pop this out one-handed, of course, because that's always smart. Look, I'll have to come back to this. It's popping out here though. But why is it not popping out everywhere? All right, so I got it out. Pulling here, and it just took a lot more force than I expected is what's needed. I probably turn the car off now just because I'm pulling things out. So let's do that. So here is that wire adapter that we are going to tap into. Okay, it looks pretty straightforward. I think the hardest part's going to be fixing that wire up through. So let's see if we can get this in. I don't know if this is going to work. Okay, so it's a lot easier if you sit in the passenger side. And notice this end is actually identical, this piece, to the one that's in here. So you can see which way it goes in, and you just snap it in like that. So now we get to figure out where we're going to run that wire, the USB, to charge this. Okay, so this is the wire it came with. It's about, I don't know, maybe 18 inches tall. So I'm gonna stop recording here and figure out where I'm gonna run this through, and then I'll come back to show you how I ran everything. Okay, so I got mine run through the top. You can kind of see it poking right out there. So I'm gonna pull it through, and I think that's how I'm gonna run it. Just gotta get my tweezers in there. Once again, doing everything on video is, I don't know how YouTubers do this stuff. Alright, I got it. So, pulling out the tweezers. Through. Cool. Alright. So now we'll just fish this through the hole. And here, where everything else comes through. I think I'll put it on the left side. Whew. This is not easy. I mean, it would be a lot easier if I wasn't holding a phone. So, all right, cool. Cha-ching. So this should just go like this. Put it in. Of course, when I pressed it and I stopped recording. So it's now plugged in here. Push that little plastic piece back up. That is running pretty clean. I mean, it could be a little, that's pretty much all I need to do. So now I'm gonna turn off the car. We're gonna plug this sucker in. Okay. All right, moment of truth. I'm gonna have to go on the driver's side now. So if we get a red light, that means it works. And there's no red light yet. That's not good. Yeah, so it doesn't work. I even tried a different USB cable. It's not working. So I don't know what to say. Everything is done correctly. What's interesting is there is a blue light in the USB, but it's not. Nothing's powering on. See if I can call Dongar. Okay, so it worked this time. Literally, I just unplugged it, turned the car off entirely, opened the door, shut the door, started it up, and now it's working. Which is good because I really didn't want to have to do anything. I'm leaving tomorrow at 4 in the morning for a 1,000-mile road trip. So let's just pack this up and holding. Okay, and all right, cool. And that is that. All right, so cool. Yep, about time. So that's the Dongar, the 22 Tundra. If you don't want to use the factory dash cam and want to use the Garmin Mini, this is really the best way to do it. So thank you, and hopefully this helps some people.